How can elephants help robots get a grip? Make the connection with EU Science. With over 100,000 muscles and no bones, elephant trunks can uproot trees or pick up a blade of grass. Researchers on the EU-funded Proboscis project worked closely with trained elephants and performed high-resolution imaging on trunks to develop a lightweight, soft robotic arm that can bend, twist, and curl. Balancing strength and sensitivity, such universal grippers could one day find use in manufacturing, healthcare, and rescue operations. Find out more at cordis.europa.eu and follow us